first time the machine tools is taking a dominant position in the country. We at the AceMicromatic Group, a flagship company, we started Ace Designers Limited in 1970s, and moving on, the largest producer of the CNC turning centers, and the same group has formed Ace Manufacturing System in 1994 for producing the machining centers. I'm happy to announce that these two companies have been merged the last year in the objective of giving a very good experience to the customers with 6,000, nearly 6,000 turning machines and nearly 3,000 machining centers. AceMicromatic Group, Ace Designers Limited, Machining Center Division and Turning Center Division is constituting nearly 9,000 CNC machines. We are the largest machine tool group in the country. Having said this, why this amalgamation? The amalgamation was focused on giving a better. There is all the hint in the Indian machine tool industry for the volume productions. What we have done in the last 3 to 4 decades, we need next few years to double our production capacity. The supply chain is going to take a big task in this process of scaling up. It's all centered around the 4 precision things in the supply chain. One is the speed of the response. The speed comes to the delivery. The speed comes to the responding to the customer requirement. The deliveries are becoming the shorter and shorter. It means in the supply chain, we are refocusing on how to reduce the delivery time by checking the lead time of every part and also to ensure that the parts are available on time. Having said this, the lead time, the next thing is going to be the ability of every organization to scale up. The volume production is something is going to be a very important parameter for all of us in the coming years. The unprecedented kind of the volumes are going to pour in into our requirements. It's only our ability to innovate and also make the existing processes robust will ensure we can grab this opportunity of big volume, which is around the opportunity is given for all of us from the market. So the speed, the accuracy, and the quality, and the ability to scale up the volume production surrounded by the innovative thinking in the manufacturing process. So the customers are going to expect the shorter lead time. They're going to expect more competitive products, the more wide range of the product, and that's going to be the order of the day. Are we ready for this? Yes. The answer you are trying to provide by this amalgamation process, the talents of both the companies of Ace Designers Limited Turning Center Division and Machining Center Division have been regrouped to produce the best of the results that we can provide a great experience to our customers.